What it do, y'all? It's Coffee. Tapping back in, man, and listen. Bricc baby, straight up cold lying, I think. I want to know if y'all agree with me, man. Bricc lets it be known how he gets down, right? He likes to party. Although, apparently he ain't a party crip, right? Because Crip Mag made that clear what the party crips are, right? They just want to claim and have the glory and everything that comes with it, but they be partying. They don't want to be putting in work when it's time to put in work. And apparently, with all these allegations, these indictments, which again, allegedly, Bricc is doing more than partying. You know what I mean? But that's what Milk was saying the other day is, why would he be on this podcast self-incriminating? It just makes no sense. You know what I'm saying? If the allegations are true. But anyways, let's get to what he's lying about.
Bricc and Smiley are both trying to hit me at the same time. Bricc baby.
Hello. Hello.
Hey yo, Bricc.
Yo. It's the Bricc, not the
Hey. Bro, Lush is sitting right here wearing a free Bricc baby hoodie that he had made at the swap meet earlier today. Come on.
Free Bricc baby. And you see Lush all smiling. Lush was slumped, and that's why you're gonna hear what he's lying about comes right to Lush's mind right away, right? Because we know Lush's background, right?
Hey man, Lush not the flesh. What's the deal?
Come on, my brother.
Hey. You talking about I was in here? You talking about I was in here, motherfucking kicking? Nigga, I wasn't doing none of that. It's mind over matter. I didn't even go through that shit this time.
Yeah, right. Wait.
I concur with Lush, right? And you heard Lush, what I was saying, his background. He said, Lush, you're talking about I'm in here kicking. Man, it's mind over matter. I didn't even go through it this time. Stop it, man. Listen, for anyone, jump in the comments, everyone, if you fuck around, get high, party, whatever. Bricc baby's made it clear he be off them pills, that drank, the green lean. He's talked about other times he was locked up doing Suboxone. I think he even said he did some dog food just not to be sick before. Now all of a sudden, unless I missed something, was Bricc baby all of a sudden pushing some I'm clean-ish before he got locked up this time? I don't believe so, right? And you hear Lush knows. He gets high too. And that's another thing, man. Lush done gave up on his recovery. We seen him get puking all over the place and slumped in a fetal position. Point and shoe cover that is so great again, man. Again, people are saying the only way to watch No Jumper these days is point and shoe. But my point is Lush abandoned his recovery. He got back on No Jumper and he's smoking bud with people, getting drunk. And that ain't the first time. But anyways, he knows. He gets high. He's like, you heard his reaction right away to Bricc. Yeah, right. Stop it, Bricc baby. This time I didn't even go through it. I'm not even kicking. It don't work like that, man. Stop lying.
You were chilling? You got sick,
I
gang.
swear to God.
Really?
Look, I swear to God. I probably shitted water one time, maybe.
I thought they didn't put you in the special part of the jail where you could get subs and shit like that.
It ain't even one of them here. It's from downstairs to the main line or go shackle up PC and say that you high powered. It ain't no in between.
So I didn't even know that some facilities, jails, do they really give Suboxone out to people now? I heard of prisons when you're bidden back in the day. There was people sometimes that could be on methadone maybe, right? I don't know. But that's what I'm saying. Lush knows. He's an addict just like Bricc baby. And you hear him like, oh, yeah, right. And it went from I didn't even kick this time to I shit water once. Like what? So, and then that's it. So you weren't kicking or you are kicking or it was only light work? Lying to the people. And Lush is already on here talking about, well, what about subs and all that? You know what I mean?
So you ain't got your hands on any H since you've been in there?
Hey, man, No. Hey, look, in the feds, if you come up, man, please, they love to raid my cell first cash app.
That's why you got to keep it in your stash spot.
Yeah, the back pocket.
Yeah, round back.
I tell him I said stay dangerous and free him. No.
Yeah, Munchie B says free the brick.
Hey, your little homie KC from 77 right here too.
Oh yeah,
Just
yeah.
pulled up from Cincinnati.
Yo, it's crazy too. People are commenting saying, yo, the only reason this man ain't detoxing this time is because he's high as a kite right now. They're saying he got that old, the brick lingo going, just like he's podding up, like he just, you know, them opiates just kicked in. You know what I mean? And some people are saying too, man, you know, technically three-way calling, I don't know if it's illegal, but from facilities, but the jail, it's different now, right? Where with the collect calls and how it used to be, I believe, but like the company doesn't like you doing the three ways, because someone's saying, how dumb can they be doing three-way calls illegally to the same podcast that has been used in the indictment? Now, I don't think the three-way calls themselves are illegal, but to be talking about, yo, did you get your hands on any H or whatever? So I don't know. I get Bricc not wanting to talk about everything like that, but this man's detoxing, and it ain't illegal to admit if you're detoxing or not. This dude lying, man.
Nelly, yeah, he sent him over here. I got him, dog.
Yeah, that don't know that
We all
part.
pushing this LA in here, man. You know, niggas staying out the way.
Hey, no, yeah, tell him I said free him. No, for real, for real.
Yo, Munchie said he wants your spot. He says he wants your spot on this podcast. He said he's here to take over.
Hey, man, listen, if it was anybody else in the city, man, that could keep it up, man, you already know, man. The fan favorite go to my boy.
That part, you
I
heard
don't
it?
know.
You heard it?
Barry Gordy was making waves last week, trying to say that he might be the best to hold it down for you while you're gone. What do you think about that?
Hey, man, shout out Barry Gordy, man. I haven't talked to him, though, so I don't know what he was talking about. But,
We got him out the laundromat.
hey, man, whoever there to keep on pushing for disrespecting the brick and keeping no jumper going, man, I'm with it, man. You already know. You know what I'm saying? I think I'm going to pop out like Peekaboo, though.
This call is from the federal prison.
Peekaboo.
Yeah, they think it's up.
Yo, a lot of people think Luce ain't really locked up.
Yeah, hey, how come Bricc? How come
I know the other nigga not locked up.
No, Bricc, how come when I look up your name, it shows you as locked up? I look up Big U's name, it shows him as locked up, but I look up Loose Cannon's name and nothing pops up, bro. What does that mean?
So I continue to see people saying, how dumb is Bricc Baby to keep calling in? Like, what do y'all think? Is that stupid, reckless, or what? And man, Adam's there, that's all he cares about. Yo, he wants to take your spot on the pod. Yo, did you get your hands on any H? Adam is just like all there for it, for the downfall, for everything. As long as he can put a camera in your face or get the audio and monetize up off it, he don't care. He ain't shit, and he knows it too. He'll joke as it so much. Only when things get real serious, he'll try to, like when people were saying, about all the indictments, and he's like, I put people in position and all that, but dude got arrested for the feds thinking he coming home soon. What the fuck is he snitching? When Luce call, it never be saying this is a federal facility. Yeah, so we definitely heard that with Bricc Baby on the jack. What I was guessing is maybe Loose Cannon is I think he's in a county jail in Nevada. I don't know though. But what do y'all think? Is he gonna snitch? Do you think Bricc is snitching? There's another clip we're gonna get to, man, where Munchie B breaks it down oh so perfect about Loose Cannon and just his whole get down and his DNA, how it's nothing but fraudulency, lying, scamming, and like telling. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, really, like not full out snitching. Or yeah, that's in his DNA too. But yeah, man, people are just giving Bricc Baby hell for these call-ins. Live from PC, 4 felonies and no jail time again. Munchie B must align the side of hood head on his own, of his head on his own. Oh yeah, Munchie B ish is looking flucked up on the one side. But hit the comments, y'all.
Oh, man. the star player.
No. I don't
You know
know.
what I mean? When you the MVP, they might keep you. Hey.
They got him under the jail?
Hey, hold on. Wasn't they looking? They looking for Tam? You can't see his name either.
Tam?
Oh, yeah.
Tam.
That's,
No,
Oh,
with a J.
Oh.
yeah. Damn.
Shit. Whack is swearing to me up and down that Luce is really locked up, so I don't know, but the one.
I think he is. I think in different states he probably might be. They might have him in a county holdover that ain't the full federal holdover because he
That's
gotta
a good
come
point.
through this floor right here. Everybody gotta come through this floor right here before they go upstairs. So
No, that's a good point because I am looking him up in the federal system, so it might be, the local Nevada.
he's still in Transpac. They probably going to go get him. They let you just sit. They got people from DC all over. They just flying me and they don't mind. Like right now, if they wanted to move me to like Missouri into my court, they could.
Damn. Scandalous.
That's grimy. So you really think you might be out in a week?
So before he talks about coming home, the feds, man, they can just do greasy-ish to you. They can move you to any county jail, anything. They can put you in transport. I saw someone break that down before, how, like the feds talking about mind over matter. I seen someone else say, yo, Bricc ain't mind over matter in anything. That man's getting something in there. Dude was talking about how someone made a grievance once or had a lawsuit against a facility or something like that. So they put him on Con Air Transit while they put other inmates around, flying them to different spots, feeding them 2 Lunchables a day, freezing, no blanket on the plane, fully cuffed up to the point you're sleep deprived, losing weight. And it's all bad. But we're going to get to this part about Bricc coming home. Apparently, comment everyone what you think about all this junkie-ish. Lush ones already knowing, like I said, and everyone going in on Bricc baby. Like I just seen someone say that this No Jumper studio is the largest confession room in the country. Like, do you think that this is absolutely bonkers that they all still continue to call into No Jumper with the paperwork and stuff from No Jumper being right in it? Like, is that stupid as fuck or what? And I'm gonna end it right after Brick's talking about this. What do y'all think about him apparently coming home? Everyone saw that Swamp Stories video where he broke down how many times he'd been locked up, and Bricc was talking about cases were getting thrown out, like how many times he'd been arrested, serious cases. Like, dude said he had a paralegal look into it and said it just made no sense. What do y'all think? What does that add up to you?
Man, we don't get them folks a date, Adam.
Alright.
Don't get them. I think we gotta just pop out on them, man. But
Yeah.
why not? I'm a tax-paying father.
That's what I'm saying.
Hey, you just gotta pop out and show niggas on blood. You just gotta pop out and show niggas like
Hey,
Nick
you
say.
already know. Hey, K. He said it was bragging, man.
Oh, you said you were about to say what's up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, KK, that's my boy. KK, yeah. Hey, shout out KK. Yeah.
Yeah, we right here though, man. Reporting live from 5 South in DC, man. Live from the feds, man. Y'all go check on the lane, the floors and the records, man. Let y'all know we general population thugging, man. You already know the phone start clicking. They only give me 10 minutes, so you already know we in here. I mean, come on, you don't want to come up it. Look.